in this problem they are asking to calculate the flux due to a point charge. This point charge is kept at one of the corner of a cube. So, we know that for a cube there are 8 corners. So, what will be the flux due to this charge q in the small cube side A? I think they have given mention side A. So, as soon as we see the flux concept, the very important idea is the Gauss law. We should remember the Gauss law. What Gauss law says? The Gauss law says in a closed surface the total flux is equal to E dot ds is equal to q enclosed divided by epsilon naught, or this is called phi closed. So, the closed surface can be a sphere, can be a cube or any irregular surface, but only thing is it has to be a simple closed surface. But in this case, look at it is, suppose if they keep the charge q at the center of the cube, then immediately we can say it is a q by epsilon naught, but they did not keep the charge q at the center, they kept at a one of the corner. So, it is not really with respect to this charge q, the cube is not really a closed one. So, we have to make such a way that the charge kept inside the closed surface. So, what is the trick here? Just think of the charge q is at one of the corner. If I keep another cube, if I stack another cube this side and another cube this side, another cube this side, what will happen? The half of, suppose if you think of the charge as a kind of a sphere, a small sphere, the one hemisphere will be closed by this the 4 cube. Then to close the remaining hemisphere of this charge, what happened? I have to put another 4 cube in the front face. So, totally if I put 8 cube side by side, so there will be another cube here, another cube here. So, there will be totally 8 cube. So, if the charge embedded inside the 8 cube, now this entire 8 cube considered as a closed one. So, since now the charge is exactly at the center of this bigger, so if you think of this is a and this is a then there will be side is 2a and this is also 2a and this is also 2a. Now, I have a cube of side 2a and the charge is at the center. Now, this is a closed one. So, for this entire closed surface, entire closed cube, the phi enclosed, phi closed will be q by epsilon naught. But what they are asking, what is the flux to one of the small part of the cube? So, simple, it is right, by symmetry the one of the cube will be 1 by 8 times of the total flux. So, through 1 cube of side A, this one, if you consider only this one, then phi will be simply 1 by 8 times of the total, because this small cube is the 1 by 8th part of the full cube. So, the flux going through this small cube will be 1 by 8 of cube epsilon naught, which means the option